those returning from our Executive Club, and those joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated. They must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. Please take care opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved, could fall out and cause you an injury. We're about to start our onboard service, and for those of you who have a food allergy or would like specific information on any allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in clubs, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. And for those in Eurotraveler, we'll be offering you a snack and a drink. We now invite you to make yourselves at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything we can do to make the journey more comfortable, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you.